What if I told you there's a gemstone out there, soft lavender shimmering like moonlight, that has been used for centuries to calm the mind, heal the heart, and transform anxiety into peace? And what if I told you that a same stone is right now being turned into some of the most breathtaking, most unique jewelry design the world has ever seen? Today on BB Shine, firstly, welcome back. We are diving deep into lapidolite, the purple stone, the jewelry what cannot stop talking about. We're covering its fascinating history, its power, meaning, and the most amazing subtopics that you want to know. So let's get started. If you are a jewelry lover who wants pieces that are not just beautiful but meaningful, then this video was made specifically for you. Stay with me, this one is going to be special. Let's get started. Let's start with the stone itself from the beginning. What exactly is lapidolite? Lapidolite is a type of mica mineral and it belongs to the phyllosilicate family, which basically means it forms in soft, layered, flaky sheets inside the earth. It was first officially described in the 1790s, and its name comes from the Greek word lapidos, meaning scale, because of those beautiful flaky layers you can sometimes see shimmering on its surface. Now, here's what makes lapidolite truly extraordinary compared to other gemstones is that lapidolite naturally contains lithium. Yes, the same lithium used in modern medicine to treat mood disorders and anxiety. It is one of the very few gemstones on earth with a naturally occurring chemical element directly connected to emotional balance and calm. The ancient Greeks and early European healers recognized something special about the stone long before science confirmed it. They used it in Mediterranean practices, placed it in sleeping quarters to ease nightmares, and gifted it to people going through grief or emotional hardship. In color, lapidolite ranges from the softest, palest lilac, almost like a whisper of purple, all the way to deep, rich violet or plum shades, and many sometimes a reddish shades. So, some specimens have streaks of pink running through them, others have a natural sparkle, almost like glitter, from the mica flakes inside. And certain pieces catch light in a way that makes them literally glow from within. It scores between 2.5 and 3 on the most hardness scale, which makes it a softer stone. So, jewelry makers and collectors treat it with special care, and that softness, that gentle quality, somehow perfectly mirrors what the stone represents. Now, let's talk about what lapidolite truly means because this is where this stone goes from beautiful to absolutely extraordinary. Lapidolite is known across crystal healing tradition worldwide as the stone of transition and the stone of peace. It is said to carry an energy that gently dissolves stress, releases old emotional patterns, and brings a deep sense of calm to whoever wears it. In moments of change, a new job, a move, a relationship, and a beginning, lapidolite is believed to be the stone that holds you steady. It is associated with the third eye chakra and the crown chakra. In feng shui practices, a lapidolite placed in the bedroom is believed to encourage a restful sleep and peaceful dreams. In meditation, holding lapidolite is said to slow racing thoughts and bring you back to a state of centered presence. And here's what I find truly beautiful about lapidolite as a jewelry choice. When someone gives you a lapidolite necklace or bracelet, they are essentially gifting you peace. They are saying, I want you to feel calm, grounded, and protected. Uh, there are very few gemstones in the world that carry such a deep, personal, deeply loving message. Let me give you some quick styling tips for wearing lapidolite jewelry. First one is that lapidolites of lavender and purple tones are paired beautifully with neutral colors like white, cream, gray, beige, and black. Let this tone be the color statement. Second is that because it's a softer stone, avoid wearing lapidolite rings or bracelet during heavy physical activity. Treat it gently and it will last beautifully for years. Third thing is that lapidolite layers magnificently with other purple or pink stones, amethyst, rose quartz, kunzite, and rhodonite all complement it perfectly. Fourth one is that when storing lapidolite jewelry, keep it separately wrapped in soft cloth away from harder stones that could scratch its surface. And last one, I want to share that cleanse lapidolite with moonlight or sound rather than water or salt, as mustard and salt can damage the soft mica layers over time. From its ancient roots as a stone of healing and transition to the most breathtaking necklaces, bracelets, and rings and earrings being crafted from it today, lapidolite is truly one of those rare gemstones that is as meaningful as it is magnificent. I would absolutely love to know which design caught your eye the most. Drop it in the comments right now. Was it the raw pendant, the stacked healing bracelet set, the clustered dangle bracelet, the clustered dangle earrings? Tell me everything. There are a lot of design, including I added personally in this video to show you some inspirational ideas about that stone. If this video added something to your day, a like means the world to me and it helps Baby Shine reach more jewelry lovers just like you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button right now because new jewelry inspirations drop every single week and you do not want to miss what's coming. Until next time, stay curious, stay stylish, and always let your jewelry tell your story.